Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting onto the tracks now. Don't waste time. Drive a heavy vehicle, preferably a rhino tank or a loaded flatbed, onto the rails facing the train path. Once positioned, motive is to force impact rather than avoid it. This transfers momentum and brings the engine to a stop. Make sure you have a quick escape ready, because collision will damage your ride. If anything, park slightly angled to catch the locomotive nose, and prepare to execute the next move immediately. Once done with positioning, maintain your nerve and wait until the train is close, about 50 to 100 meters. You want a strong frontal impact. Angle the heavy vehicle so it hooks the front bogie and prevents wheel rotation, which saps forward momentum. If using a tank, fire just as contact is made to damage the engine modules. If using a flatbed, chain another car behind for extra mass. Make sure to keep visual cues once momentum drops. Prepare to approach the engine carefully for the final stop. You complete the job by boarding the now slowed engine and neutralizing its driver, or by pushing the locomotive to a complete halt with a final angled ram. If the train still drifts, don't stand in front. Pull back, re-angle and strike with higher speed, or use the rhino for guaranteed mass. Make sure to save after success. If the method fails repeatedly, reload a save or switch vehicles. Sometimes physics glitches require a different approach or a quick game reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.